Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another day of HolidAMY again. I have no idea where we are in the cycle. And yet again, we have phlegm in everywhere. But today's video is going to be a products I am not taking into the new year with me. Basically, it's a products I don't like video. I did this last year and I thought it was a fun, like, I don't know, way to say goodbye to some products, start off with a clean slate in the new year. And I do want to say, just because I don't like these certain products does not mean I am trying to bash these companies or that I don't like these companies. You'll see that I love all of these companies that I'm going to be talking about. It's just these certain products didn't work for me, or I just think they're just straight up bad, so that's what's happening. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I've been collecting this for like the last 6 months, so I haven't talked about these products in a while because they've been sitting in this little bin, so I'll give you a little sneak peek, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first ones are kind of devastating. I was so excited about these, and I've heard a lot of great things about these. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter, and these are two of the ones from the Villains collection, the Disney Villains collection. So like, obviously it's me. I wanted to love these, mainly because the packaging is incredible. It is just so bad. It sucks so bad. It feels really nice when you swatch it, and even on your hand, it like swatches okay, but it just breaks up on my skin. The glitter is a little bit too much for my skin, and I guess it has something to do with it going on top of makeup, because on top of my hand just now, it like went on just fine. And I mentioned in another video that like I was not enjoying these, and some people left some tips on like how to use them, and like, oh, you gotta do this first and this. But if a makeup product is that hard to use or like make work with your other products, it's just not worth it to me, because I do have other highlighters that are like effortless to put on. It doesn't matter what foundation I'm wearing or anything. These were just like broke up so much. They were not like seamless, and it just looked like crap. So I also like don't know what to do with things I dislike. I usually give them to my sister-in-law, Nikki, because she's not as picky as I am. But I do know she loves Colourpop, so I will give these to her. But man, it was such a disappointment. I was so upset. And I tried so hard to like them. I tried with like different foundations, brushes, my fingers, just no. On my skin, these looked like shiz. I guess we'll finish up in the makeup realm and then move on. Speaking of making my skin look terrible, I hated this. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which you guys know I love Milk makeup, and I was so excited to try this, especially because when I swatched it on my hand in store, it felt great. It's like this gel consistency that like dries down, very moisturizing, yet a little bit sticky or tacky, so it's like perfect to make your makeup stick to it. But yet again, this just made my skin look so bad. It like made makeup pile up in my pores, which I guess I could have tried it. No, I mean, it's been a while since I've used this, and I kept like, you gotta try it again, Amy. You don't know, you know, because I'm pretty bad, and when I try something and I don't like it, I will like not ever want to use it again. But I'm like, no, it's semi your job to like to make a formal review on these things. So I tried this so many times, so many ways, and it just made my pores look so bad. But so many people love this and I don't understand. So it must just be like a skin type thing for me, but it made my pores look like crap, and it made makeup like move around. So I hated this. Never gonna use it again. As you can tell by my, well, I don't even know if you can tell, but on my eyes right now I have glitter eyeshadow, which I have been wearing so much glitter eyeshadow looks this month. So much, that wasn't good grammar, but you know what I mean. I can't stop, won't stop with the glitter, and it is the Tati Volume 1 palette, the Tati Beauty. It's incredible, and I, for years, have been looking for something like that to just be effortless glitter all over my eyeballs. Not the balls, the lids. We don't want it in the balls. And I feel like I've shared a little bit of my struggle with you guys on that. I had like this Revlon product that I used for a while, but then I got rid of. And then I was holding on to this because it was the closest thing I had. This is the Too Faced Honey Please Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. And the color itself is beautiful, but this, on the eyeballs, it like takes, honestly, like 20 minutes to get it to the capacity that you want. There's a swatch of it right there. The color is beautiful, that wasn't the problem. It was layering it. You would have bald spots, and you'd have like a really perfect spot over there. So then you'd try to fix it, but then you would mess up the perfect spot you had, and it would just shift around, and it was really hard to achieve just like a perfect glitter wash on the eyelids that doesn't move, and this is not it. So now that I've discovered Tati Beauty, I am getting rid of this. I was holding on to this because it was the closest thing I had, and I do love to put on glitter on, you know, my birthday or Christmas or New Year's Eve or just when I feel like it. So I did like to have some sort of eye glitter on hand, but now that I have, okay, you can kind of see, it's like thicker in other areas. Can you kind of see like in the middle it's sparse? It's just, it's not great. So now that I have the Tati Beauty palette to fulfill my glitter needs, this is going in the trash, honestly. It's also probably old. It should go, but nope, 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 nope. And then we have one more makeup favorite, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't really remember why I don't like this. Oh, yes I do. So, it's been a while. So this is the Becca, Chloe and Malika Sweethearts Glow Letters. So it's supposed to be one of those things where you like swirl your brush in it. And so I believe I got this for free through Octoly or something, but the color is not right for me. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it as like a bronzer, because every now and then, especially in the spring or summer, I do like a shimmery bronzer. So I tried this. You couldn't see it. So like, not only was I afraid that it was gonna be too dark for me, nothing showed up at all. Like it is, I couldn't believe how crappy it was. And still, even swatching it on my hand right now, like nothing, like it, it's just, it's not even worth it. I don't know if you can even see anything because it doesn't swatch. And the packaging is a joke. It's made out of cardboard. It's like, come on, you guys, there's too much good makeup out there in these days and times to release something this crappy. And I love Khloe Kardashian. You guys know I love the Kardashians. Malika kind of gets on my nerves, but regardless, this was not it. So don't waste your life. I don't even know if this is still available, but I was so excited to have like the glow beads products, and this just did not do it for me. So that is it for the makeup. I do have some skincare. This you will see me use in an upcoming video. I used it once. I will not be using it again. This is the Sephora Watermelon Stick Mask. You guys know I love the Sephora collection. I love their skincare, more specifically the rose stuff. I love the sheet mask, the sleeping mask. I love all the rose stuff. And then also I love the Milk Watermelon Stick Mask, and this was $8 and that one is like around $30. So I was like, oh, maybe it's a dupe. It's not. This, immediately when I washed it off my face felt terrible. So bad that I will not use it again. I just said when I don't like something, I usually try to make myself use it a couple more times. This is pointless for me. This, it did not make my skin look good and made it feel terrible. And like when I take off that other watermelon milk mask, it feels great. Like my skin looks and feels great. This, it instantly felt dry and like tacky and just terrible. So I am passing this on because it is not for me. I have something from Trader Joe's. You guys, I try so hard to like Trader Joe's beauty products, but honestly 75% of the time I don't. There are a few products you guys know that I like swear by, I love. The two that come to mind right now are the shave cream, the mango, what is it called? Honey mango shave gel cream, whatever, and then the tea tree face pads. Those are the two that I like cannot live without. So every now and then I try something just because I want to try it out and see. This I hated. This is called the Ultra Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. There was nothing ultra hydrating about this. I have dry skin. I try a bunch of just like extra hydrating things, and this ain't it. This isn't even like enough for me for a daytime moisturizer. And it just kind of like, when it dries down, it felt like a mattifying product, if that makes sense. You know how like you have some of those face primers that when they dry down they kind of feel like a mattifying powder? That's what this felt like, and I was like, you know what, absolutely not. I'm just rubbing it on my hand just to remind myself. It has no fragrance, which is nice, but just for me it was very unpleasant. There's a lot of other things I'd rather be using, so I didn't get too far into this. And speaking about Trader Joe's, this was a holiday release that I bought and I was so excited about. It's the peppermint foaming hand soap, which first of all, it's so cute. That's the main reason I bought it. This sucks so bad. It smells good. That's not a problem. It smells good. But the instant you wash your hands, or like you wash the soap off, your hands feel so dry, and that is something I cannot stand. I wash my hands constantly because, you know, oh yeah, the lotion dried. It's so unpleasant. It's just not it. But anywho, back to the lotion. I mean, but anywho, back to the soap. It's just disgusting. It just feels so sticky, and like, not even sticky, it just feels instantly dry and you're like, oh my god, what's happening? So I would not recommend this. If you're trying to go for a holiday seasonal soap, I'd go with the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint soap, which is very moisturizing, or I just opened up a bottle of the Young Living Christmas Spirit soap, which is foaming just like this, but it's not drying at all. Like, the difference was wild. So normally I would just like force myself to use something up like this, but no, I'm not. I refuse. Speaking of Young Living, I have an oil that I will not be using, and I don't understand how anybody uses this. This is the Eucalyptus Blue Oil. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this on my channel. This is the like worst thing I've ever smelled ever in my life. Like, it's so unpleasant, and I was gonna like smell it right now. I'll do it. Just so I can describe it. It's the worst. How do you use this? So Young Living, if you are a member or if you sign up and you're looking for eucalyptus oil, don't get this one. Get the Eucalyptus globulus. They have 3 different eucalyptus oils, which I guess different eucalyptus trees. This one is eucalyptus blue. This one is trash. It smells so bad. If you use this in your life and enjoy it, please tell me how and why. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just curious. I'm getting rid of this because I can't even have it in my collection. I can't. It's disgusting. Somebody commented once and told me that they thought it smells like cat pee, which I don't know what cat pee smells like, but I imagine it's pretty bad. This is the worst thing that's ever been in my nostrils, and it's not staying with me. And last but not least, I was so upset about this. This is the Schmidts Bergamot and Lime plant-based body soap. And let me see if this has fragrance. Nope, no fragrance. Okay, I could have saved myself time. It says it right up there. And even like looking at this, I'm kind of like, ooh, I want to try it again. So maybe I will. It smells great. And you guys know I love the Schmidts Bergamot and Lime deodorant. I'm running out of light. I need to hurry up. I decided to film at like 5 o'clock in my bedroom. So okay, whatever. You guys know I love that deodorant. I love the Schmidts deodorant. It's my favorite. So I was so excited to try the natural shower gel. You guys know this whole year has kind of been my journey for natural shower gels. And it took me forever to find this, but I finally got my hands on it. The smell is great. That wasn't the problem. It's just, again, the minute you wash it off, like you rinse it with water, your skin feels so dry. And especially, I use this right after coming off of the Alba Botanica tuberose, wild tuberose, something like that. That shower gel was so moisturizing and so amazing. That one does have fragrance, but I think it's the very last ingredient in it. And then somebody commented saying, you know, fragrance in your body wash is okay because you're rinsing it off, which, like, I can get behind that mentality. So I do appreciate that it has no fragrance. It just was so drying that I hated it. But staring at this now, it's been a few months since I've tried it. I'm gonna try it again just because I want to like it so bad, but I know I don't. It's really, really drying. And hey, maybe that's just my skin. I have really dry skin, especially on my body. But that's just something I can't stand about bar soaps either. I would love to be a bar soap user, mostly because, like, I think they're cute and they always smell really nice. But then when I use it on my body, the second I rinse it away, I feel so dry. And this was the same effect as that. If you've ever experienced that with bar soap, it's kind of the same feeling for me. So this was so disappointing and sad, but it's true. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I always feel bad doing these videos. I don't like to be negative, but at the same time, I'm trying out a bunch of crap so you don't have to, and I'm here to tell you if it's worth it, and these things I do not think are worth your life and your time. So I'm saying thank you next. These are not staying in my life in 2020. They will be moved to new homes or just recycled. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I have some more products I didn't like videos. I will make a playlist and put it up there if you guys want to watch more of these videos. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon with a new video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. When I said bye, it like barely came out. Bye. There we go. Bye. Okay. Bye.